Good morning, everyone. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options. It is the 24th of May, and today in the market prep, there's several things I want to cover. First, we have um, seen the bulls do a remarkable job. Actually, much better than I expected. Yesterday, we ended up here with a little doji candle. And we are smack dab in the middle of resistance, okay, here on the diamonds. If we look at the SPY, the SPY has been a little bit stronger than the diamonds, but we're still just smack dab right in the middle of a resistance area, and we don't seem to be able, at least at this moment, to have the energy to break through. And that has me concerned. Um, I'm not ready to suggest that the market's going to fall off a cliff. I don't want to do that. I don't. You guys know I don't try to predict this stuff. I just try to read what the market is telling me, and so we've got the diamonds below resistance. Actually dead center in the middle of resistance. We have the SPY trying to break out, trying to show a little bit of bullishness here. We have IWM definitely in a downtrend and not showing a whole lot of confidence here um, in the overall market just yet on IWM. Now we have to throw in, the complication of the Qs. The Qs have been really, really strong, but it's interesting that they weren't able to quite push through and hold their high yesterday. Could this be a lower high? Could this be a clue? Can't tell you that yet. I need to see a follow through day. But what I will say is ahead of a 3-day weekend, with all the uncertainty that's out there, I want to favor cautiousness. As a matter of fact, I want to favor lightening up my risk to the market. Currently, Right Way Options has really good profits. I mean, some stellar profits in our account. And what I want to do is I want to start lightening that up. As we move toward this 3-day weekend, I personally believe what I'm looking at here, and I could be wrong, is complacency. If we take a look at the VIX, you can see the VIX has dropped back down here. We are approaching again these historically low numbers in the VIX. Now, to me, this is complacency. This is actually extreme complacency. Could this break out? Absolutely could. And I'll tell you honestly, I hope it does. I want it to break out. I want this to go higher. I want to see more upside in the market. But I got to tell you, ahead of a 3-day weekend, all the uncertainty that's out there, I don't want to bet my future on it. Okay? I don't want to risk a lot of capital on it. I would rather sit on the sidelines, wait and see, take the safe approach. If I knew what was going to happen, we'd all be rich. Because I'd tell you all, and everyone would have an opportunity to make a ton of money here today or the rest of this week, whichever way this is going to go. But clearly, I can't see the future, nor can you. As much as, or as hard as we try, we just can't do that. So I want to be cautious. I want to err on the side of caution. I want to protect my capital. As long as we continue to bang against this resistance, not showing the strength to break out, I want to trade fewer positions. I want to trade smaller positions. I only want to pick the best of the best positions with low risk entries in a market like this. This is not the place for someone that's struggling or someone that's new to be testing the waters. This could be very dangerous. Let's not forget last Wednesday. Okay? It's easy in this rally to just ignore that, just to forget like that didn't happen. But it did, and it's still there, and it's still resistance. Okay? So I plan to exercise extreme caution. And I will be planning to exit trades if this shows any inclination of a failure, any whatsoever. If it starts looking shaky, I'm not going to be there to wait for it. Okay? I want to take those profits and I'll put my hands in my pockets and I will wait until the long weekend is over. I can always buy back in, but I want to protect myself going into this weekend. So think about that as you're planning your day. Think about that as you're moving forward, okay? Hey, I also want to ask everyone if you could just do me a favor. If you like this content, please click the subscribe button so that when these videos come out, you'll be able to get notified of them and get them right away. So please subscribe for me. I'd really appreciate it. Everyone have a great day, and I will talk to you all soon. Take care.